Welcome to Nancy Chinese class. This class we just talk about how to learn pinyin very quickly. Okay, we start from the simple vowels and from the ah, because we know the English ja. Okay, just like ah, yeah, ar this sound. And next one just the o, just round the mouth. Okay, and the log we say o. The next one similar, just like a bird, but the smooth tongue don't need the curled tongue, just just like this. Okay, we check our mouth to pronounce our okay, and start. Ah, o. We know Chinese have 4 different tongues. Okay, how to pronounce them? Okay, first tongue, just like we just a very smooth road. And also, if we sing a song, and just like we sing a song, do, re, mi, fa, so, just like so higher sound, but cannot change, very smooth. So is the first tongue. The next one, just we need the rise up. Just we sing a song, do, re, mi, fa, so, just rise up. Do, re, mi, fa, so, feel a little hard. Okay, the next one, this is the third tongue. Third tongue, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa. So we need to change our sound. So longer and little difficult. The last one is first tongue. First tongue, just so, fa, mi, re, do, very quickly and short. Okay, there's about 4 different tongues. Okay, let's we practice different 4 tongues. Okay. Ah, 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 ah. O, 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 o. Okay, let's play today's game. The first one, find the first tongue. Which one is first tongue? Yeah, ah. Okay, great. Yes. The next one, we just find the third tongue. Okay, 第三声 third tongue. Which one is third tongue? Just find it. Is the third tongue. Okay, and the fourth tongue, 第四声 fourth tongue. First tongue, ah. Yeah, great job, ah. Okay, second tongue, find second tongue. Second tongue, o. Yeah, great job. O is second tongue. Very good. Okay, we finished this. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe to my Chinese channel. I will share a lot of pronunciation practice, dialogue, and conversations. See you next time. Bye.